right, thank you for joining. Today we'll look at GTO, JITO, USDT on the Binance chart. Very quick technical analysis, letting you know exactly what levels I'm looking at for a take profit. Potentially, there is a level about 50% away, right about up here, right? So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Right now, I do have the trend lines drawn from the highs to the low, right? Higher high, lower high, all of these lows, all these touch points. As you can see, price has just been respecting these levels, grinding up, and it now looks like it wants to target the top of the trend line again, right? Now, with that being said, there are some hidden levels of resistance, which I'm going to go ahead and pull up right now. So we could go ahead and take the high time frame levels. And as you can see, there is a weekly level above, which is untapped, right mixed in with the daily. And it actually looks like it's coming into contact with the trend line all at the same time. And it seems like that's where price is going to react from, right? So it would be nice to see some sort of price action like that happen. So locally, in the short time frame, I could expect an extra 7% increase in price from these levels right here. I would say we could come down and tap this daily level again, but it's already been tapped multiple times, obviously flipped from resistance into support, and it looks like price just wants to continue higher after making a higher high, a local higher high, right? So this was the high before, went lower, now we have a higher high, and either price is going to continue to make that higher high a little bit higher or come back down to make a higher low, because as you can see, this is a lower low. So we had a lower low, lower high, lower low, now we have a higher high. So I'm expecting some sort of retracement just to confirm a higher low before really going up and targeting this area. Maybe we get, one second here, maybe we get some sort of price action like so, come down, front run it a little bit, back test this as support, and then go back up and tackle that level, right? So a couple interesting areas to watch on GTO. Now I also had some fibs pulled, right? And as you can see, the fib lines up right with this weekly level above. And there's also the golden pocket lining up with this weekly level above. So with GTO having this massive sell-off and now having these this very interesting price action, right? It's just consolidating, just waiting to break out. So I find it hard to believe that when we break out, we're just going to tap this level right here and then reject and come down even further. I don't really see that happening. Obviously, anything is possible. But I think after a massive consolidation like this, a move to the upside, targeting at least this weekly level above, seems very probable, right? So from these levels here, you're talking about, like I said, 50% increase in price. And this is really where my target is as of right now, right? So right around $3.2 for GTO, right? Let's go ahead and pull up some fixed range volume profiles as well. So now it's getting a little messy, but if we go ahead and turn off the high time frame, turn off the trends, could even go ahead and get rid of, now we could keep that there. So we do have the previous point of control. So this point of control was actually up here, right? But now, since a lot more volume has been traded down here, it did move. So this is obviously still a very relevant area. As you can see, we have a high volume node right here. So this is going to be a very interesting resistance area. I'm still going to keep that up, but essentially the point of control, the main point of control, is in fact down here. And as you can see, we have reclaimed that point of control, and it looks like we're continuing to push for higher prices. So we have a few areas of resistance, obviously support, resistance, 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 support. We're gonna have to 100% flip this level, which may line up, let's see. Yeah, so it looks like it's lining up. It looks like it's gonna take maybe a day or two, but it is lining up with this trend. If we break out, I would expect to impulse higher into this point of control, possibly get a little rejection, right? Consolidating a little bit before flipping this level into support and continuing to the value area high. And then this is really the challenge, right? So remember I said my target is officially 3.2. I'm going to take a lot of profits off the table right here at $3, just because this value area high is going to be a major resistance to try to get over. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it with GTO. You know, I'm very bullish on it. Had a massive consolidation. I am entered in a long from these levels around $2.10, aiming for that 50% increase in price, but realistically looking, taking most profits right here, around 38% away, is the next target. So I'm just going to let this one ride out. I am in here spot, so you know I could play the long game, no leverage. And yeah, we do have some very important levels as well. So this is going to be a massive area of resistance. Also, you have the daily level, weekly level, fibs, point of control. So if we flip this, then I would definitely expect this value area high to get tapped, and price might try to break out of this value area high, test the range up here before essentially possibly coming back down into this fixed range, right? So that's it for GTO. Thank you for watching. Remember to follow me on X, right? I post a lot of updates. Like and subscribe. Then that was a Ducati. But yeah, like and subscribe. Follow me on X. Follow me on TradingView. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It'll really mean a lot. Appreciate it. Not too many followers, but you know we're getting up there. And yeah, right now the market is pretty bullish. You know, we have Bitcoin just pushing higher and higher and higher prices. A lot of positive delta coming in. Volume, now we have a little bit of negative delta going in at these highs right here. And let's see if that's going to be, that looks pretty bearish, right? 12 million negative delta coming in, volume 128 million. And then we have, forgot exactly what this is. Let's see, CVD, yeah, cumulative volume delta. So it's also dropping off. Yeah, so negative delta at the highs. You know, a lot of people are shorting right now, so we'll see how this all plays out. Bitcoin has been making some very impressive moves lately, right? As you can see, broke out. Now it's at 53.6, targeting 54. And that's on the CME. Now if we go to the Bybit chart, it's pretty much right there. The high was right below 53. So Bitcoin looks like it's going to push a little bit higher. We have this consolidation, and it looks like it's just going to keep on going higher, right? Pretty much we had something like this before an increase in price. It looks like it's going to do that one more time. So yeah, definitely long on this market right now. Everything looks bullish. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Beautiful, beautiful candle.